everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I'll teach you how to reset swipe on Bumble. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. You can see over here Bumble application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Make sure people option is selected. Now in the people interface, you'll be able to swipe left or right on the people's profile. For example, if you've swiped, now if you want to reset it, for that what you have to do is tap on this arrow icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen right next to the filter icon. Now you'll be able to reset the swipe if you have the premium version of Bumble. So in order to reset the swipe, you'll have to subscribe to the Bumble plan. If you have subscribed to the paid plan only, you'll be able to reset it. Once you do that, your swipe will be reset and you'll be able to reconsider the profile. So that is how you reset swipe on Bumble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.